Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deidre from Our Upcycled Life and I do lots of thrifting, upcycling, repurposing, and DIY content. And today I have just a quick video, but I want to share with you a super glue and baking soda trick. This creates a super strong adhesive. So we're going to head out to the shed and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. To make this super strong adhesive, we're going to need some baking soda and some crazy glue or super glue. I've got these holes in this piece of wood that are too big and the screw won't fit in. I am going to show you how we can fix that with this little trick. You're going to take your baking soda and fill those holes right up to the top. And then you're going to get your super glue or your crazy glue and you're going to drip it right into that baking soda, right in that hole. Now you want to put enough so it's going to saturate right down to the bottom of that baking soda. And it is instant. As soon as you apply that super glue, it is solid like a rock. And then you can immediately sand it and then you can screw your screw into that hole now that used to be too big and now is filled in with that super glue and the baking soda. Now I wanted to show you how you can do it with plastic. I had this plastic bottle that had a crack in it. You can put that super glue directly on that plastic and then we're going to just sprinkle on that baking soda. You have to act fast. We don't want this to dry. We want to get that baking soda into it while it's still wet. Sprinkle it on. It'll immediately set up rock hard and that crack will be sealed. Of course, if you're doing this, it's not food safe. You want to make sure that you're not putting any food in it after we've done this process. And I'm going to show you again on a piece of wood. I've just dripped that super glue onto a piece of wood, sprinkle on the baking soda. Within seconds, this is rock hard. As you can see, it's solid as can be. So you can see how you can join two things together and creates a really strong adhesive. So there's lots of ways that we can incorporate this into our DIY projects. If you've got a broken plate, broken ceramics, your eyeglasses are broken, put them together as you typically would with the super glue and then just sprinkle that baking soda on top of it and you're gonna have an instant bond. That baking soda acts as a catalyst and within seconds it's repaired. So I hope that was helpful and you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you love this video, I'm sure you'll love these next two. Take care.